So firstly, a very warm welcome to our Computer Science Open Day and this breakout room session on the DDI, Mssc in DDI and the sensor systems. I'm Associate Professor in the Computer Science Department and UCL Interaction Center. And importantly, I'm one of the key academics at Global Disability Innovation Hub, which is the world's first WHO collaborating center on assistive technology. And I'm currently a program director of Mssc DDI, and Aisha is here. She is our DDI administrator and GDI center manager. So Mssc Disability Design and Innovation. So we are here to help students to become global disability innovation pioneers who will significantly contribute to the world, making it fairer. This is our fourth year running our Mssc DDI, and this program is led by UCL's Global Disability Innovation Hub. So who we are? So we are part of the 2012 London Paralympic legacy. As you probably know, the London Paralympic Game is the most successful Paralympic game ever, with great accessibility, inclusive design, and use of cutting-edge assistive technologies, which are some of the keywords which Mssc DDI focuses on. And we are the global leading experts in assistive technology and inclusive design and culture and participation. A bit of further details of what we have been doing. Firstly, we have been delivering extremely high impact programs and research projects, including the £20 million flagship research program called 80-20-30. And with this program, we have been collaborating with global institutes and organizations, including WHO and UNESCO and UNICEF, and multinational companies like Microsoft. And also our students will experience this type of collaboration during the Mssc DDI. And so we together are to create a world-leading assistive technology and the disability innovation ecosystem. And needless to say, UCL is one of the top 10 elite universities over the world. And the UCL Computer Science, which Mssc DDI is sitting in, is also the #1 in the UK for research strength. And Mssc DDI is a sort of an offspring program under UCL Interaction Center, which is also the world-leading HCI research center. And the Mssc DDI is co-delivered by other two institutes, London College of Fashion, which is a part of the University of Art London, and Loughborough University London. And both the universities are also the top universities, especially in student experience and teaching. And here we can see our Mssc DDI faculty members. On the left side, we can see Antonius and Miko from Loughborough Universities, University London, and they are specialized in design and disability. And on the right side, Edwin and Gabriella, who are from University of Arts, London, are experts in business strategies and marketing in disability and development. And the remaining 5 are all part of UCL Computer Science, who are also world-leading experts in assistive technology, disability interaction and development, and human-computer interaction and engineering. And here it is noteworthy to highlight, we have been seeing and celebrating many successful cases from our DDI students and alumni. And here is one example, actually from Kate, who has also joined this session. So she won the RSA Student Design Award back in 2020. And our DDI students and alumni have been also successfully publishing academic papers at prestigious conferences and journals, including CHI, Computer-Human Interaction. For example, the Arcritage our previous student back in 2019, and created a dissertation project which was co-supervised by Gabriella and myself, was featured by the famous magazine called Cosmetics and Toiletries. And lastly, here is our module compositions. And just very briefly, term one will start with 3 core modules, and they are the future global technologies for disability and development, and design thinking and research methods and making skills. And in the future global technologies for disability and development, students will look into the role of global technologies in boosting disability innovation. And also we will learn about the social model of disability, which is contrasted by the medical model of disability and many other theory and the concepts and fundamentals there. And we will equip our students with design thinking and research methods, making skills, and also computing, including programming, to help them to contribute innovation. And in the term 2, we have applied business and marketing strategy for disability development from LCF, which is part of UAL. And the students will also work on many collaborative projects in the collaborative unit. And also UCL offers 3 different optional modules. One is accessibility and assistive technology, led by Professor Kathy Holloway, and also inclusive design and environment, which will be led by Ian, who contributed to the successful accessibility of the London Paralympic Game back in 2012. And also innovation for fairer world, which is a new module which will be coming next year, this year, which will be led by the director of GDI, who is Vicky Austin. And then in term 3 and the summer term, students will fully focus on the dissertation projects toward the end of the program.